Good morning, everyone. I am Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we will continue the same topic, that is differential equation of the type linear differential equation. So, in this, let us take an example. dy by dx minus y tan x equal to minus 2 sin x. So first of all we compare this differential equation to its form, that is dy by dx plus py equal to q. If we compare these two equations, we find that the coefficient of y is minus tan x and the here coefficient of y is p. So this shows that p equals to minus tan x. And q is a quantity which is in the right side, and here right side is minus 2 sin x. So q will be minus 2 sin x. In this way we get p and q. Now after this we have to find integrating factor, and integrating factor, that is if, it is given by e raised to the power integration of p dx. So put the value of p, and the value of p is minus 10x. So integration of minus 10x dx. Integration of 10x is minus cos x. So minus and minus will cancel out. So integration of 10x is minus log cos x. After this, e and log will cancel out, and we will get cos x. So this is our integrating factor. Now as we know that solution of this differential equation is given by y into linear factor, integrating factor is equal to q into integrated factor. So integrated factor is cos x. So y into cos x equal to minus 2 sin x into cos x dx. Now we have to integrate the quantity which is in the right side, and the quantity which is in the left side copy as it is. So y equals to integration of 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x. Now integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2, and minus and minus will cancel out. So here is the solution of given linear differential equation. Now let us take another example. In this differential equation given as dy by dx minus y upon x is equal to x minus 1 upon x into ex. So again we have to find first p and q. We have to first find p and q. So compare this differential equation by the form, that is dy by dx plus py equal to q. We will find that p is minus 1 upon x and q is minus 1 by x plus 1. 1 minus 1 by x into ex. Now after this we have to find integrating factor. And integrating factor is given by e raised to the power integration of minus 1 upon x dx, and integration of minus 1 upon x will be minus log x. This minus will go to the power, and e log will cancel out, and we will get x to the power minus 1, that is 1 upon x. This is our integrating factor. Now solution of differential equation is given by y into integrated factor, that is 1 by x, is equals to integration of 1 upon x into q, that is 1 minus 1 by x into ex. Now multiply this x inside the bracket, we will get this. So this is the form of integration fx minus f dash x. Okay, so separate this into two integration like this. Now we have to simplify this one. This will automatically cancel out. So apply Euler rule. First function integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of first function integration of second. Then we will find that these two terms will going to cancel out, and this only left plus c, or y equal to x cancel हो जाएगा, c into x. This is the solution. So students, I hope that this video will definitely help you to do the exercise based on linear differential equation. That's all for the day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.